everybody, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, guys, I'm going to show you a very easy and simple nail tutorial using flowers. Yes, these flowers are from my neighbor's plant. I got some of them and now I'm here cutting them out. And I wanted to try something different because last time I tried this, I saw that the flower lost the colors with the acrylic. So this time I wanted to try and see if it's possible to do it again, but differently. So I'm going to show you how I did this time that it works beautifully. So the first thing I did, I grabbed the flowers and I'm going to cut the flowers first in a little bit of medium sized pieces, and then I will go ahead and cut in smaller pieces. Why? The big sizes will be for areas where I want big pieces of flowers like petals, because these are petals, I'm sorry. And the smaller pieces are the one that is going to cover the spots where I can only put small ones, if that makes sense. Because in between, I'm going to put foils, like gold foils. And I'm using this extension gel from I bought it at wish.com. So if you don't have extension gel, don't worry. Use a top coat. Use something that you can cure in the lamp. You can use construction gel, you can use top coat, you can use base coat, whatever you, even gel polish that can cure in lamp. You can use all of that. So that's what I did. I used this gel extension, which is used to create nail tip, but also it is some type of construction gel. So what I did, I put it halfway of the nail, and then I put my petals. And you guys can see that I'm putting like a big piece first, and then I'm trying to size to put a smaller piece in between here and there. You can also put the full petal if you want, because we are going to encapsulate this. And remember, we haven't cured the gel, the construction gel. So this is a time where you're gonna put the petals, you're gonna size if you want the big petals at the end on the sides and all of that stuff. Now we're gonna go ahead and apply more decoration. But in this case, I decided to put some of the foils in color gold because I think the gold looks beautiful with red. You can also use any silver foil, blue foil. You guys can see that I have like a mini kit on the side with different foil colors, but I only gonna use the gold one. So I will place the gold one in between the petals, so it can make that those lines in gold very pretty with the foil. And I will do that in all of the sides where the petals don't touch each other. And this is how it looks, okay? And I have another one that I already did. That's how they look. Now the next step is you can put gel. You can put any color of gel if you want. You can put any color of acrylic. You even can use gel polish if you want. But in this case, I wanted to use like a type of nude acrylic. So that's what I'm doing. So pretty much it's like a number look. So what I'm doing is putting a nude acrylic on the part where we didn't put decoration, like the petals and stuff. And I'm gonna make that transition between the acrylic and the petals. And I go back and forward trying to make that it looks very transitional so I don't see the end of the petals, if that makes sense. So I will go ahead and place the acrylic so it may look like a little bit ombre. Once I finish placing the acrylic, I will let the nail dry, meaning the acrylic dry, and then I will go ahead and put the clear acrylic just to encapsulate the whole thing, and then we protect all petals so when we file, we don't lose any of the decoration. Pretty much that's the reason why we encapsulate. Now, you guys can see while I'm applying the acrylic that the petals are not losing the color. And I think that's why, because of the at the bottom we have that construction gel and it's already cured with the lamp. So I was very impressed that the petal at no point lose the color. So I'm gonna repeat the same process with the other one. And here I already started encapsulating the nail with a clear acrylic, and you guys can see how the petals is still looking beautifully red, which is really surprising to me because last time I tried to do this, the petals with the purple flowers, the petals lost the purple color. So I will have to try this again in a full set and see if it can work because so far it works amazing. So I'm imagining that when you do this fully with gel without using acrylic, pretty much you will the flower will keep the color intensity. So this is amazing because that means that you don't need to buy those dry flowers with color that people sell. Pretty much use the flowers from your patio, use the flowers that you see uh, because they can work. From here, I'm just putting decoration. This is optional. I just like to put a little bit of rhinestones, and I will go ahead and put some rhinestones, and then once I'm done, I will go ahead and put the top coat. So here I'm putting the last decorations. And these rhinestones, guys, I got them from Amazon, and you guys can see how beautiful they shine. I was so surprised. And they are not Swarovski, they are very shiny. And I love this box because the box is fully packed, and you have different sizes as well. So that is pretty amazing. So at this point, you guys can see that I already did my file, that I already shaped the nail. I'm already done almost putting the decoration and the rhinestones. So the next thing I will do is apply the top coat. Unfortunately, my camera battery died, and I didn't record the part where I put the top coat, which was the best part. But this is the final look. What do you guys think? Look at those petals. They look amazing. That vibrant, shiny red. So this means that you can grab any flower, use the petals, and they're not gonna lose the color. I think they turn out amazing. Can you guys imagine a full set with these petals? Let me know if you guys like this. Don't forget to subscribe. Follow me on Instagram. I will link all the links in the description box. And if you have any questions, let it in the comment section. I will be reading you guys. And welcome to new subscribers. I will see you back on my next video. Bye.